Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies in Herne Bay, and today we are at number 17 Beacon Hill, which is truly one of the most beautiful seafront homes that I think we've had the privilege to market in recent years. It is a wonderful spectacle of Victorian architecture and is certainly a sight to behold. We'll come straight into the main living space of the property. This is the lounge, and as we look over, we can see that absolutely incredible sea view through those windows there. You'll notice the front driveway there, you've got plenty of parking as well, but look at those sea views, it's absolutely stunning. As we pan the camera back round, we're looking back through to the dining room, get an idea of the amount of space that you get with this main living area. It's absolutely wonderful. You've got the two fireplaces, one in the dining area, one in the lounge. You've got those French doors at the back leading out onto the rear garden. It's absolutely wonderful. Whilst we're in the rear garden, we'll have a good look at what you have here. So you've got a mixture of little patio area here, you've got the beds up along the side, you've got a really nice amount of lawned area there as well. But what makes this rear garden really nice is it's south facing, so you're going to get that sun pretty much all of the day, and when the sun's at its highest in the summer, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. We can pan the camera around and take a good look at the rear of the property, and you really get a sense of how imposing this building really is. It's absolutely wonderful. We'll make our way back up to the property again now, and we'll come through the secondary entrance into the main entrance hall here now, where you'll see, of course, the downstairs toilet and the utility cupboard, which is just next to it. We'll take another look in this main entrance hall. Down there you'll see Florence snoozing away as usual, and we'll go and take a look at that incredible stained glass window that we have at the front. This is adorning the main entrance door of the property. Now we'll come round and go into the second downstairs reception space, which currently is used as a really nice sort of snug, a really comfortable lounge space. You've got the log burner there, and again you've got the incredible sea views just out from that window there. Take a really good look at how wonderful those sea views are. It's just absolutely fantastic. Now, you'll also see that you get this rather handy space at the side of the property, just off of that second cosy reception space, that takes full advantage of those sea views again. Again, this room could be used as an at-home study or as an art studio, whatever you'd like it to be. We'll take a few moments now to look at the utility space that comes with the property. Now, it's nice to have a separate utility space with a property this large. You've got plenty of storage space in here. You've got the plumbing for the washing machine as well in here. And we'll go round now into the kitchen and dining area. So you've got the kitchen here, which has a nice modern finish to it. You've got an abundance of windows here as well, and that access point out to the side of the property, which will bring you to the rear. You've got the Aga there as well, which is just wonderful to have in the winter. You have that Aga on and it creates a really nice warmth in all of this space. But you've got the modern appliances here as well, the electric fan assisted oven, the butler's sink, the electric hob. You've got the fridge freezer here as well, and you've got that lovely window out into the rear garden. This is the downstairs breakfast room. Whether or not you'd like it as a breakfast room or for something completely different is up to you. You've got the lovely little window there out onto the rear garden, but it's nice to have a more informal dining space with that little feature fireplace there, which is close to the kitchen. We'll make our way upstairs now. We'll go up this lovely balustrade staircase, and as we come to the half landing here, you'll notice this amazing window that we have, which faces out towards the seafront again. It's lovely that you do have that seafront really at every turn in this property. And we're going to go through now and show you the toilet space that we have. And to be honest, I mean, having a view like that from your loo, it really is quite something. The first bathroom that we're coming into here now has a really lovely view over the garden again, and is a really wonderful size. You've got plenty of space here. You've got the bath there as well. You've got all of the storage on the side, and it's nice that this little side area does sort of make you feel that you've got a bit of a guest wing with the property. You know, you can have this as the bedroom. This is bedroom number 4. You can have this as the bedroom, and then of course you've got the access there to the bathroom and to the toilet, which is brilliant. Here we are in bedroom number 3, which is one of my favourite rooms. You've got the sink there in the corner. You've got the amazing big windows at the front, which just show off all of that seafront yet again. And it's just a lovely size, and it's very characterful. It's done really nicely in here. Really lovely space to relax. Now, this room is currently used as a study, and to have the doors out onto the balcony to make full advantage of those incredible sea views is just something else. I mean, we'll take a step out onto the balcony now, and you'll get a really good idea of what the view entails with this property. It's absolutely wonderful. You can see all the way down from Herne Bay town there where the Neptune's Arm is, and you can see all the way across to Reculver, which is just wonderful. I mean, when you have the air show on in Herne Bay, and Herne Bay's nice, it's buzzing, it's got so much going on, you know, you can take the full advantage of all of that space. This is the master bedroom with that incredible period fireplace there as well. You've got the big windows looking out over those amazing sea views yet again, and it's a lovely sized room. You'll notice as we come round, you've got lovely tall ceilings here. It's a really big square room, nice and easy to use, plenty of space for all of your furniture. Really, really lovely in this room. We're now in bedroom number 2, which is a very, very lovely room. You've got a nice sense of privacy in here. The windows overlook the rear garden. You've got all of the fitted storage in here, but it's nice to have a south-facing bedroom that does feel just that little bit more private. It's a really, really lovely, lovely space in here. And here we are now in the second bathroom within the property, which has more of a contemporary feel to it, which is very, very nice. But what's best is that you've got the 2 bathrooms. It's fantastically practical to have in a house of this size. You've got to have the 2 bathrooms there, and both offering a fantastic space. Here we are now in bedroom number 5, which does offer a bit of a surprise. It's certainly a unique room. You've got the window there facing out onto the rear garden, but we find ourselves right at the top of the property now, so it makes for a really nice private space. But you've got the door there, which as we go up to, you'll see leads into the attic space with this property that does offer one of the most amazing opportunities, I think, that is available on Herne Bay seafront. I mean, if you could, subject to planning permission, do something with this space, it could be absolutely wonderful. It's huge up here and is certainly worth thinking further about.